Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by mounting the ATN Night Vision Scope on a stable Picatinny rail. Align the index and hand tighten the clamp. Once mounted, install the battery pack or 12V power source, checking polarity so you avoid damage. Turn the scope on with a short press and wait 30 to 60 seconds for the image intensifier to stabilize. This warm-up reduces noise and improves gain. Make sure to set initial brightness low so you don't saturate the sensor. Then proceed to coarse focus. Once done with warm-up, begin zeroing and focus. You should set reticle brightness and parallax to mid-level so stars or lights don't bloom. This balances contrast and detail. Then coarse focus on a 25 to 50-yard target, make initial adjustments, and move to your typical engagement distance for fine-tuning. Use a bore light or baseline zero method to align optical axis, then fire a 3-shot group to confirm impact. If shots drift, adjust windage/elevation and you now transition to operational use. Adjust image gain as ambient light changes. Reduce gain near streetlights, increase in full dark, so you preserve detail without blooming. If target contrast is low, enable the IR illuminator and angle it slightly off-center for close ranges to prevent overexposure. For scope failures, first power cycle and check battery contacts and cable connections. If that fails, replace the battery. Remember to clear lens caps and verify mounts. A loose clamp is a common cause of zero shift or intermittent blackout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.